late night pickup over here with Dart. Go check this thing out. Blur it out.
Rolling in style this year, baby.
Fuck yeah.
Get some YouTube footage.
This is it's brand new, huh?
Yeah, brand new. Just got it. LED lights in it. E-track in it.
You're not taking that truck down, are you?
Huh?
You're not taking that?
No. We're taking the RV.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't want to drive the RV all the way down here.
Those fucking Rams ain't, or those wheels ain't gonna last long.
No.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
All right, good to meet you. Yeah.
What was the nut on this one?
This one ran 24.
Damn. 24, yeah.
We went to Millennium out in Indianapolis.
Yeah. Well, that's good that it's built up here, not in Georgia. Those things are fucking garbage.
They suck.
Yeah.
So this is built in Elkhart.
Yeah, so it's good. Yeah, any of them that are built in Indiana are the good ones. Like the Georgia ones don't come undercoated, and then they're 12 or 16 or 18 on center versus 12 and everything. So.
I had a buddy caught one from down there. We went down to the actual manufacturer, and they're like eating lunch in the trailers that they just built. And I'm like drinking beer, and I'm like, wow.
Yeah, dude, they'll fucking fall apart before they.
Bringing the slingshot with us.
What are you just taking this as it?
My bike, his bike,
Yeah.
slingshot. Yep.
Who's that?
This is his dad.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah. So that's his bike here. He's got
so your uncle,
CBO Street Glow.
Your uncle.
My uncle's going, but they're going to be in the other RV.
Oh, I got
his dad, he and his dad, they have an RV as well.
Gotcha, okay.
And then they just bought this trailer.
Okay.
So, because they had a 20-foot trailer for this, so I just bought their 20-foot trailer.
Oh, no shit,
Yeah, so I got a 20-foot trailer. So I bought their old trailer when they bought this week.
The one that you picked up last time or whatever?
No, he just bought this.
No, the other trailer you're talking about.
No, that trailer when we came last time. That was my uncle's trailer.
Okay.
It was my cousin's trailer. He's talking about Lovey's trailer. I think we came with the 20-foot. Yeah,
Okay,
it was
white
my cousin's trailer when we came last time. The white one. But he actually, my cousin who has that trailer, he just bought a new murdered out black trailer, a 24-footer, murdered out black one. So, because that other one was old and it was like fucking going to shit. So he just bought a new one, a 24-foot all black murdered out too. And then his dad just bought this one. They just picked up last Saturday. You guys picked this up. They just picked this up Saturday. So this will be the first trip.
Probably fucking 3 years ago. It probably only been like 15.
I know.
Yeah,
right?
They had like a stacker down there. We were looking at the guy. Was like, yeah, this guy he buys one a year. We were like, well, what is it running? He's like, yeah, he pays $75,000. He buys one every year.
Dude.
I'm like, wow. He say he transports like Lamborghinis and Ferraris from the East Coast.
Oh no, yeah. I mean that's paying crazy money and shit too. So hauling that stuff right now.
Yeah, so he's like, man,
Yeah, so now
stick your slingshot in.
Right. Yeah, we can put 2 slingshots in here because it's 28 feet. So, I mean, you see with the slingshot and the bikes, we still got plenty of room.
You get 3 bikes in a row in here.
Yeah. Because you put, 4 rake bikes in your...
I can only get 4, yeah. It's only a 24-foot. But almost stock or fat tires, you'd be able to get 3 in here easy.
Yeah, I like that. That's what's so neat.
Screw all that aluminum shit over there, man. That's like fucking nice. And I was going to try to pull off, like I powdered that when I got mine off because when we wrapped it, but that stuff was going to be too much of a pain in the ass because all the silicone and stuff, so.
And then they do like this screwless thing.
Oh, it's seamless, that's what I got, the seamless,
That shit costs so much money
to
get them seamless.
It's worth it though. I mean, especially because we wrapped it and stuff too. Like
it was really nice. They stay together better than
So my good thing is I wrapped that thing like 2 months after I had it. So like many of them ever sell it, I'll just peel it off. It's gonna look brand new.
Exactly.
So, oh shit. Yeah, you guys coated it and stuff too right away. Yeah. Did the same thing.
We did this Sunday.
Menards, You don't need that. Are you using it or?
Yeah, I was gonna say because we didn't put one on here.
I forgot to put mine on there.
You got 4 straps, right?
Yeah, I got 4 straps. So I was gonna just use it, but that's what I was thinking. I told him because he forgot. We got 2 wheel chocks, but we forgot to put.
I never use them. So.
Yeah.
That's what I told him. I said, next time I'm like, you never use that.
I seen that on the inside. Yeah.
He even got the matching rim on the spare tire.
lugs, so they're big axles too.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Guys are en route, getting ready to roll out in the morning to Daytona. We'll see them down there all week. 9 something at night.
You said